Have you ever tried to share a custom image on Facebook, only to find out that it doesn't accept SVG files? It's frustrating, right? If you've been there, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to share your SVG images on Facebook. I totally understand your concern. Many users face this issue when they want to share their creative SVG designs. You're not alone in this, and it's a common challenge for many developers. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user asked how to share a customized SVG image on Facebook. They found out that Facebook doesn't accept SVG files and are looking for a workaround. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's the issue here? Facebook requires images to be in formats like JPEG or PNG, and SVG files just won't cut it. We'll explore how to convert your SVG to a shareable format and get it onto Facebook. And stick around. I've got a great tip at the end that will help you manage your images efficiently when sharing on social media. To share the SVG image on Facebook, the user first needs to convert the SVG to a PNG format. This can be done using the CanVG library, which renders the SVG onto a canvas. Next, the user should extract the PNG data from the canvas. This is done using the toDataURL method, which converts the canvas content into a base64 encoded PNG string. However, Facebook requires a valid URL for the image. Since the user has a base64 string, they need to upload the PNG to a server and get a URL for it. Once the user has the image URL, they can use the Facebook API to share the image. The user should ensure that the URL is accessible and not too long. Finally, if the user wants to manage the uploaded images, they can set up a cron job on the server to delete images after a specified time, like 24 hours. Fun fact, did you know that the first image ever uploaded to the web was a simple GIF of a band called Less Horrible Cernettes? Just like them, your images deserve to be shared. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests converting the base64 encoded image into a file and uploading it to a server or cloud storage. This way, you can share the URL on Facebook. If you upload to your own server, you can use Ajax to post the data URL, convert it to an image, and return the image URL. For different backend languages, look for specific methods to handle base64 conversion. Alternatively, if you prefer third-party cloud storage, you can create a blob object from the canvas and upload it using their API. Many providers support this method. If you find that sharing the data URL is too cumbersome, consider temporarily storing the PNG on a server. You can set it to delete after a certain period, ensuring your users' posts remain intact. And there you have it. You should now be able to share your SVG images on Facebook without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more creative solutions.